illegal coal mining, I'm telling you right from day one, we already committed to make sure that no illegal mining activities takes place after the NGT ban.
Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Meghalaya minta ke Syillong bah ke Jingtih bah ke dan ke Jingtih bat khayi Beain Dewiong ke de ke bamla ban pediang setia. Berpensyai halor ke ni ke Jingtih do nong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ubah presiden uong bah ambaro ki kam Beain nilai thok ki de ban pha da ke sorkar. Uong ru balada ke NGT ke don ban pej yakum Kyntait lada don shisha.
Government, then government, and also the present government, we are committed to make sure that illegal mining of coal does not happen. Where is that check gate? I don't know. Which check gate are you talking about? You talking about check gate or what? Because see, in fact, there is a formality. Setting up of any gates, any check gates, all along the national highway, as well as in the state highways. There is a criteria where we cannot just blindly create check gate or have a barrier here and there. So we have the formality. So I really don't understand what does it mean by saying that we have every every constituency that check gate. I think that I cannot reply. Please. NGT is already in place. SIT has been constituted by the NGT. So we don't have a jurisdiction on that. I think the best agency would be NGT only. So therefore, as I said to you, I don't know why LO says that you need again another body to go in deep to this alleged illegal mining activities that has happened in our state. But I'm just telling you, NGT is monitoring on a very regular basis. They are monitoring in a very, very regular basis about the illegal mining activities. Because this is the crime activities, the criminal activities. We really don't know. The act is in place. The enforcement is in place. That's what I'm telling you. We have already very clearly instructed all the district administration, all the SPs, and from there it goes down to the police stations. It goes down even up to the block level. That please check properly, and illegal activities should not at all happen in the state of Kyntait. That is the standing order where we issued from the highest authority of the state government.